Let's try to understand the entire diamond manufacturing process through a flow chart. Take and record the entire video of a rough diamond. Now for very precise cavities and surface reconstructions, nowadays we use X-ray scanning in the very first step. Before X-ray, we were using helium rough scanner for the entire 3D model along with cavity measurement through whitener. Next step is for clarity plotting. If our stone is really very clean or very less inclusion, we straight away go on embox for quick plotting. If we have multiple inclusions, then we will definitely go for immersion glass entire process in which the diamond is being immersed into immersion glass. The automatic immersion glass inclusion plotting is done on a helium IG scanner for all auto plots of VS1 and larger inclusions. After this first plotting, we do provisional planning on our helium Pacor client software, where it automatically plans all the solutions and all the shapes completely automatic. Next step we do is first of all see all solutions. If the solutions have clarity grade better than VS1, that is VVS1, IF, VVS2 or even Flowless, then we go on to embox once again. It is important to plot exact end of the cracks because this will result either a stone going on VVS1, VVS2 or VS1 or SI1 also. So here we try to do revised planning if it is having VS1 or a better purity once again on Pacor client. Now for the next C or the color estimation, we either use DZ or DZ Lite. In the DZ Lite software, it is easier to assume one color for a solution of one round stones inside. If the color expected is not into D2Z range, that is fancy colors, we have to follow the fancy color manufacturing cycle, which is a different topic altogether. The final step of planning comes only through helium polish carbon smart recut with RBC or AnyCut software with the use of GIF assetware and many other labs as well. For all other fancy cuts except round, the performance or the cut performance, fire, brilliance, scintillations is very important. At the same time, its overall shape appeal and the symmetry, optical symmetry and the fold symmetry is equally important. In the Cutwise cloud, we upload some interesting solutions or the plans on our Cutwise cloud to have the actual photoreal rendering of all the plannings which we have done to decide on the final planning. We also send the real photoreal rendered options to our sales team. Step is to demold the IG cube or the immersion glass cube. So now the diamond is straight away going for lasers and manufacturing process. Before it goes to lasers for actual cutting, laser marking of all planning options are done on a helium rough scanner. After sawing, the same stone goes now for pre-blocking of the stone either on certain technologies or blocking machines or through manual dops and tanks using artisans. Last and very important and crucial step is to implement the entire manufacturing cycle onto Galard compass to achieve exactly what has been planned and have to execute exactly the same planning what we have done in the initial stages. Once the diamond manufacturing process is over, We scan the diamond and compare it with the earlier planned diamond, and also try to check the pre-grading, which can come into any labs including GIA. The last step after manufacturing is to use DieBox 2.0 for preparing the entire videos, images and the scores in quantitative terms and put it on our website using a template or a widget or inbuilt into our own website. The process of image capturing, video capturing and getting the final score on Cutwise Cloud is completely automatic. You can also have an interactive 3D report and an HTML report under the same product page for your clients or for your end users. The inclusion charting option is also available through Helium and Cutwise Cloud. So right from rough stone to this entire process, the entire flow chart is now over.